N is for Narwhal with Hopi. Hi there, my name is Hopi. Today is a very special day because we are going on a big adventure. We are looking for things that start with the letter N. Can you say it? Let's go find some. Hopi looks up into the big, green tree. Look what I see, she says. Tucked away on a branch is a cozy home for some birds. It is a soft, brown nest. N is for nest. Hopi finds something helpful on the grass. It has a long handle and a soft, blue mesh. This is my net, Hopi says. She swings it through the air. Swish, swish, N is for net. Hopi walks all the way to the edge of the big, blue ocean. The water is sparkly and the sand is warm between her toes. Who lives deep in the water? Hopi asks. Suddenly, a friendly face pops out of the waves. It is Noel the narwhal. He has a very long, twisty tusk on his head. He looks like a unicorn of the sea, and it's for narwhal. Hello, Noel, Hopi calls out. Noel the narwhal swims close to the shore to say hi. He makes a happy sound and splashes his flipper. Hopi and Noel are new friends. Look at the water around Noel. Something is glowing and bobbing in the waves. There are bright, neon colors, and is for neon. Hopi uses her bright blue net to scoop the neon ball out of the water. I caught a one, she cheers. Catching neon ball is the best game ever. The sun is starting to set, turning the sky pink and orange. It is time for Hopi to head home. She waves her hand and Noel the narwhal waves his flipper. Goodbye, Noel. The sun is starting to set, turning the sky pink and orange. It is time for Hopi to head home. She waves her hand and Noel the narwhal waves his flipper. Goodbye, Noel. What a wonderful day. We found a nest, a net, a narwhal, and neons. Hopi loves the letter N. Can you think of any other in words? N is for narwhal with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and friends.